So, you've put all this work into your Wix site. It looks great, it's getting traffic, but what if I told you you might be missing out on your most loyal customers? Think about it. We spend, over 4 hours a day on our phones, and almost all of that time is inside apps. Today, we're going to explore how turning that website into a mobile app isn't just a cool extra, it's the bridge to that missing audience.
And that really brings us to the big question, doesn't it? As we head into 2025, is having a great website truly enough? Because relying only on web traffic these days, it kind of feels like trying to catch a downpour with a teaspoon. You're just missing this massive wave of engagement that's happening somewhere else entirely.
And I'm not just being dramatic. You're out there competing in a sea of over 8 million other active Wix sites. That's a lot of noise. So to really stand out, you need more than just a website. You need a direct, immersive connection with your users. You need something that cuts through all that noise. And an app is exactly how you do it.
So what's the plan? Glad you asked. Here's our roadmap. First, we'll dig into the website-only problem. Then we'll talk about all the awesome benefits of having an app. After that, we'll look at the different ways you can build one, and I'll walk you through a super simple 5-step no-code method. And finally, we'll cover how to get the word out once your app is live.
All right, let's dive into Section 1, the website-only problem. Even the best mobile website has friction. Your customers have to open a browser, remember and type in your URL, and then wait for it to load. An app, though, it's just there. It's one tap, the door's already wide open, just waiting for them to walk in.
Now look, Wix is amazing. It's turned millions of us into website creators, right? But having a mobile-friendly site is kind of like having a great cover band. It sounds a lot like the original, but it's not the real deal. A native mobile app, on the other hand, that's the actual artist, live, in your user's pocket. It's a whole different experience.
Okay, so we've seen the limits of just having a website. For Section 2, let's flip the script and get into the really exciting stuff, all the incredible doors that open up the second you launch a mobile app. This is where you see how it can totally transform your business.
Honestly, it's like giving your business 5 superpowers. You get the power of insane convenience, the power to build incredible brand loyalty, the power to work even when you're offline, the power to get seen in new places, and, of course, the power to open up new ways to make money. Let's break down each one.
First up, convenience. An app lives right there on your user's home screen. It's not just a bookmark, it's a permanent part of their digital life. It's the difference between being a casual acquaintance they have to look up and a close friend who's always just a tap away.
Next, loyalty. And oh man, push notifications are your secret weapon here. Imagine sending a personalized happy birthday discount or a little we miss you offer. It's like having a direct, personal line to every single customer, constantly reminding them why they love what you do.
Now think about this. You're on a subway or a plane with spotty Wi-Fi. With a website, you're dead in the water. But with an app, your users could still be browsing your products, reading your content, or adding things to their cart. Your brand is always on, even when the internet isn't.
And being in the app stores, that is a total game changer. People searching in the app stores are not just browsing, they're looking for a solution to a problem right now. And your app could be that perfect solution, just waiting for them to find it. And finally, let's talk money. An app can be a serious revenue-generating machine. You can offer premium features with in-app purchases, create exclusive subscription content, or even run ads. It's a whole new playground of financial opportunity that your website just can't match.
Okay, so you're sold. You're ready to get these superpowers. But where do you even begin? It can feel like you're standing at a crossroads. So in Section 3, we're going to look at the 3 main paths you can take to bring your app to life and figure out which one is perfect for you.
Let's break it down. As you can see, you've got custom coding over here. Super powerful, but also super expensive, and it takes forever. Then in the middle, you have the Wix Native Builder, which is okay, but a bit restrictive. But for most of us, this third option is the sweet spot, a no-code builder. It's fast, it's affordable, and it's flexible.
Yeah, that no-code path is the fastest way to make your app dream a reality. So for Section 4, we're going to walk through a super simple 5-step no-code method using a tool called AppMySite. Get ready, because you're about to become an app developer and you don't need to know any code, I promise.
This is the entire journey, right here, and it really is as simple as it looks. In just 5 steps, you go from having a Wix website to a real live mobile app in the app stores. You just set it up, design it, connect it, add your features, and then you publish. That's it.
And in Step 2, you get to be the designer. You can upload your logo for the app icon, create a cool launch screen that everyone sees when they open the app, and match all the colors and fonts to your brand. It's all point and click, super easy.
Now, step 4 is where the magic really happens. This is where you can add all those powerful features we talked about, like push notifications, customer chat, and even monetization tools. It's like giving your website a massive upgrade, all without touching a single line of code.
Now, you might be thinking, hey, why not just use the app builder from Wix? And that's a fair question. The short answer is freedom and cost. The Wix builder is fine, but AppMySite gives you way more control to create something truly unique, and it often comes in at a much better price point.
You did it. Your app is built. It's beautiful. Now, we need to get people to actually download it. In our final section, we'll cover the essential marketing moves you need to make your app a hit, because a great app that nobody knows about isn't going to help anyone.
So here's your playbook. First, treat your App Store listing like SEO. Pack it with keywords. Then, put big, obvious download banners all over your website. Make a huge deal about the launch on social media. And once people download it, keep them engaged with exclusive app-only deals and those amazing push notifications. Your goal is to make downloading your app a total no-brainer.
Let's wrap up with this because it's so important. Turning your website into a mobile app is not just a cool tech trend. It is one of the most strategic, powerful moves you can make for your business in 2025. This is about future-proofing your brand and building a much deeper connection with your audience.
Look, your audience is already on mobile. They are living their lives on their phones. They're shopping, connecting, and discovering right there in the palm of their hands. The only real question left is, are you ready to meet them there? Are you ready to build a brand that isn't just seen, but is truly experienced?